1 month and 1 week later, I'm already up $122,000 with a $200,000 account. I think this is a really good result. Yo, what's going on, traders? What's up, team? I hope you're all having a lovely time. It's Raphael back again. And in today's video, I want to talk about yesterday's trading session. We had a beautiful trade on gold that I've shared with the team, with everyone for free in my Telegram channel. If you're not inside yet, make sure to join. You find the link in the description down below. We made a beautiful, we made 2 trades yesterday on gold. First one, I was on the sell side because I saw a huge reaction after we took out some buy stops, but market turned around. I had to switch sides, I had to close my position early, so I lost like 1% on the first trade, and then I've banked around 3% on the buy position. I still got a run out. Let's see if this thing doesn't get stopped out and it keeps pushing up today, then I probably will close another 3 or 4%. That would be amazing, guys. For everyone who's dropping a comment in the comment section on this video, I'm going to make a giveaway on next Sunday, and I'm going to give you the Genius Trading Masterclass course with lifetime membership inside the inner circle of our team. You can talk to all the students in the group chats. You're connected to everyone, and you are going to learn the extreme zone trading strategy. You're going to learn the index sniper strategy, the X-ray strategy, the loading it up strategy, the ridge split Fibonacci strategy. We have 5 different strategies that you're going to learn. You're going to learn everything about risk management, everything about trading psychology, everything that you need to become a consistently profitable trader. This is for free. You just have to drop a comment, that's it. I'm going to pick one random winner, and good luck, everyone. Alright, that being said, guys, let's get straight into the charts. As you all know, I'm always having my eyes on XAUUSD, which is Nasdaq, then gold, of course, and the DAX Euro with the extreme zone trading strategy. If you want to learn more about this, the extreme zone trading strategy, just drop me a message in Telegram. You'll find the link down below. I'm gonna send you the strategy for free, the complete setup, how you can trade this thing. It's part of the masterclass course as well, as you know. You're gonna get it for free, buddy. Anyways, we want to talk about gold, guys. So let me switch to single chart mode here on the C-Trader, and let's see what we had yesterday. As you can see, I've closed one sell position with $2,800 loss, and I think there was another one with a small loss. Yesterday I've closed $3,600 loss with my first sell position. Why I took the sell, guys? Well, I saw a double bottom in here, and I thought, okay, we have a lot of stops sitting down here, and as you can see, after we slashed through the recent high, the most recent high, it got rejected pretty aggressively. So I thought, okay, this might be a sign for this thing wants to take out this double bottom in here and then maybe push up again. So after that rejection here, we have a huge wick. As you can see on the 5-minute chart, we have a huge wick. Market came down pretty aggressive. I start selling in here, and then when it came back a little bit, I decided to load it up and get in again with a sell position somewhere in here. Somewhere in here. And when I saw the market start sprinting green candles, I decided to get out before my stop gets hit, and I switched sides. So I switched sides. I had my stop sitting down below here. I didn't want to put it down below here. I wanted to give it one more chance, like give it a little bit more air to breathe, because it is possible that it wants to grab some liquidity in here before pushing up. So I gave it a little bit more air to breathe, and took one position I took one position straight away somewhere in here. Yeah, as you can see, this one. Took this one in here. This one gave me already $2,500 profit, and I still have a runner who is running at 1,300 right now. But yeah, I'm looking to close this thing around maybe 2040 or 2050. This would be amazing. Well, I'm not sure if this thing is going to hold or if we're going to get stopped out today. We will see if market makes a bigger pullback, or yeah, let's see. Anyways, this one here, I've loaded it up here as we had like a little retracement in here. I took another entry based on this small gap. You see that? This was like the first strong reaction, which made me really think about this trade, like to switch sides. So in here, inside this gap, I decided to get in again and ride this thing to the upside. So I closed at around it was nearly the 2035 level. This was the level which I marked up because it's like a big figure number. 2035 is a big figure number where I was pretty sure that we're going to see some reaction. And as you can see, the market for the rest of the day has just consolidated around that area. As you can see, we didn't have any movements from there, so it was the perfect timing to get out. I closed 75% of my position in here, which is 6.5 plus 2.5, which is 9 grand. So yesterday I made a win of around 3% and I've lost 1%. So overall I made 2% profit, which is a beautiful trading day. I'm still trading a small account. I flipped the $200,000 account to $337,000 right now. As you can see in here, this is the statistic for the current month. I'm already up 10%. If we check the whole history, I'm up $122,000. I started in January, beginning of January, and we have 1 month, 1 week later, around 1 month and 1 week later, I'm already up $122,000 with a $200,000 account. I think this is a really good result. That's more than 50%. I'm very happy with this result so far. Let's see if we can keep printing money this month. I am sure we can. Let's see. I would love to see gold after, we took out this pretty significant low from yesterday, and I would love to see this thing start printing bullish structure now and get to this level in here, which is a significant high, as you can see in here. This would be another opportunity for me to take profits. I would love to see this thing run to 2050. That would be amazing, because then I would make another 3%, 3 point something percent. This would be lovely. Or maybe even this one here would be amazing, $14,000. Let's see if we can get a home run today. I'm going to keep you updated for sure. If you're not inside the free Telegram channel yet, make sure to join. Drop a comment below this video, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, and drop me a private message on Telegram if you want to have the Extreme Zone trading strategy. And that's it for today. I keep you updated about our trading decisions. Let's see if we can make some money today. I hope so. You're gonna see, if I take a trade, you're gonna see it inside the free Telegram channel. So make sure to join, alright? And I wish you a lovely day, guys. Stay healthy, wealthy, and I wish you a profitable week. Keep pushing, guys. Keep pushing. See you in the next one. Peace!
the moon. Forget what you know. Every time I my body knows. Yeah, yeah, yeah.